possessions, and I became somebody who lived on the streets. And all I had was my ability to work. And so I knew how to hustle, I knew how to steal, I knew how to jack up, and I knew how to get high. And that was all I knew how to do. And I was here, and I remember the ugliness of these projects when I was here, and I remember the people, and I remember the atmosphere. And then to be able to come back and say, it was Jesus Christ that came in and changed my life. I had tried so many things. I had gone through drug treatment centers, and I had tried all the secular methods of changing my life because I wanted to quit. I wanted to be done. I wanted to be somebody who could be a normal person, but I could never be a normal person, and I couldn't look myself in the mirror. I couldn't be somebody who would be able to be a productive member of society, so to speak. And I knew I was going to die a crackhead. I knew I was going to die in my drug addiction. I had been doing it for so many years, and I had lost so much, and I was just so hopeless and ugly and empty that when somebody told me about Jesus, they looked me in the eye and they said, Jesus is the only way I can change. And somehow it pricked my heart, and I wanted to see if God could really change my life. I wanted to see if there was really some kind of hope that could change somebody like me. And I began to seek the Lord. I got saved. I gave my life to Jesus, and He began to speak with me. He began to commune in my heart. He began to help me, but I was still a crackhead, and I was still messed up. But He would tell me, He would speak to my heart and tell me, I'm the only way you're ever going to change. And I held to that with everything I had. And I went another year after I got saved, running and ripping and hustling and everything, until somebody told me about Victory Outreach. And that's why I'm a grateful part of this ministry, because I came in the men's home messed up, hopeless, lost, and the men's home is where God changed my life. I was in the men's home for a long time, and to me it seemed like forever, but it was where God delivered me from my drug addiction. I'm not a crackhead anymore. I'm not a recovering crackhead. I'm not a recovering drug addict. I don't believe in recovery. I believe in deliverance. I believe in change, because our God is an awesome God. He's a healing God. And I want to let you know that no matter what you're going through, no matter what you might have in your life that's holding you back, if you trust in God and you look to Him and you love Jesus with all of your heart and you seek Him for that change, you give Him your life and you allow Him to do that work in your life, He will do it. He did it for me when I didn't think I was ever going to be anything different. He did it for me. And I want to give you the testimony that God can change anybody. God bless you. Thank you.